everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and today guys I will show you how to make a small DIY bouquet chocolate tutorial. So this is gonna be fun activities also, and hopefully you guys stay with us and keep watching until the end of my video, and I will show you how to do it. There you go. I'm almost done, so probably I'm gonna attach the ribbon, and look, that should be fine. Looks cute. Then I will tie around the ribbon also. Let's see how it works, but if not, I will change it, but let's see how it goes. And so let's see. I don't know, it's kind of like different, I'll change it. Maybe I just gonna be, no, it's not really working. Maybe I'm gonna put a simple like ribbon around it. So just a simple one. I'm not gonna do it like a complicated. So I think this one should be much better. So I just put a simple one. So hope you guys like my video tutorial for today, and please, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and it helps also to grow my channel. And thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys to see you next time. And don't forget also to ring the notification bell, so just keep you updated every time I post my new video. So thank you guys, and see you next time.